Good evening everyone and welcome to our discussion on the latest developments in blockchain technology. Over the last decade, blockchain technology has emerged as one of the most innovative and disruptive technologies that the world has ever seen. With its advanced features such as transparency, decentralization, security, and immutability, blockchain technology has already revolutionized several industries and has the potential to transform several others. Today, in this discussion, we will be exploring some of the latest developments in blockchain technology and how they are revolutionizing various sectors. We will also discuss some of the challenges that are being addressed and the potential opportunities that lie ahead. So, let's dive right into it. Blockchain 101. Before we discuss the latest developments in blockchain technology, let's have a quick Blockchain 101 session to familiarize ourselves with some basic concepts. Blockchain technology is a distributed ledger technology that allows multiple parties to have a decentralized and encrypted ledger of transactions. It comprises a chain of blocks that contains transaction data that is linked using cryptographic hashes. Each block in the blockchain is linked using a cryptographic hash of the previous block, ensuring that the ledger is tamper-proof. This makes it almost impossible to alter, destroy, or manipulate any transaction once it has been recorded on the blockchain. The blockchain network is maintained by a group of decentralized computers known as nodes, which validate and record every transaction on the ledger. One of the primary benefits of blockchain technology is that it allows participants to transact without the need for intermediaries such as banks or governments, significantly reducing the cost of transactions and increasing the speed at which they are executed. Latest developments in blockchain technology. Now that we have covered the basics, let's explore the latest developments in blockchain technology. 1. Decentralized finance, DeFi. Decentralized finance is one of the most exciting developments in blockchain technology. DeFi is a rapidly growing space that allows users to access traditional financial services without the need for traditional intermediaries, such as banks or other financial institutions. DeFi is built on blockchain platforms such as Ethereum, which feature smart contract functionality that enables the creation of decentralized financial applications, such as lending and borrowing platforms, stablecoins, and decentralized exchanges. 2. Interoperability. The lack of interoperability between different blockchain networks has long been a major obstacle to the development of blockchain technology. The inability of different networks to communicate with each other has created fragmentation within the blockchain industry. However, with the latest developments in cross-chain interoperability, that obstacle is now being addressed. Several blockchain projects are now working on creating cross-chain communication protocols that will allow data and value to flow seamlessly across different blockchain platforms. 3. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Central banks around the world are exploring the use of blockchain technology to develop their digital currencies. CBDCs are digital versions of fiat currencies that are backed by the government and issued by the central bank. With the development of CBDCs, central banks aim to provide a safer, more efficient, and more accessible payment system while maintaining the integrity and stability of the financial system. 4. NFTs. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are digital assets that are unique, irreplaceable, and not interchangeable. NFTs are revolutionizing the art and collectibles industry by enabling artists and collectors to sell and purchase digital assets securely. NFTs are created on blockchain platforms, enabling digital assets such as artwork, music, and videos to be authenticated, owned, and traded securely and transparently. Potential opportunities and challenges. With the latest developments in blockchain technology, there are several potential opportunities and challenges that lie ahead. Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize several industries, from finance and healthcare to real estate and logistics. It can streamline processes, reduce costs, and increase transparency and security. However, there are also several challenges that need to be addressed, such as scalability, interoperability, and regulatory issues. These challenges are being addressed, and blockchain technology is rapidly evolving to overcome them. Conclusion. In conclusion, blockchain technology is rapidly evolving, and its potential is limitless. With the latest developments in DeFi, interoperability, CBDCs, and NFTs, blockchain technology is disrupting various industries and transforming the way we do business. The rapid evolution of blockchain technology offers many opportunities and poses several challenges that need to be addressed. However, with continued innovation and investment, the future of blockchain technology is bright, and we can expect to see many more exciting developments in the years ahead. Thank you for joining us in this discussion.